I think we can all agree that gorgeous, luscious locks are something most of us aspire to have. But with so much conflicting information out there, it can be difficult to figure out what really works when it comes to hair care. And then there are those persistent hair myths, those age-old wives' tales that have been passed down for generations. From using vinegar to make your hair shiny to rubbing your hair with a towel. These traditional tips are often well-intentioned, but may not always be backed by science. So it is time to separate fact from fiction and determine which hair myths stand the test of time and which ones are best left in the history books. And you might be surprised by the answers. Let's start with a very common one. Frequent washing damages your hair? This is where science steps in to set the record straight. Our hair and scalp produce natural oils that keep our hair looking shiny and healthy. But as these oils build up, our hair can become weighed down and greasy. That's where shampoo comes in to help cleanse the hair and scalp. Shampooing too infrequently can lead to an accumulation of dirt, oil, and product buildup, which can weigh down the hair, make it appear greasy, and even cause scalp irritation or dandruff. So, how often should you wash your hair? According to experts, it depends on your hair type and lifestyle. On average, most people should wash their hair every 2 to 3 days. However, some may need to do so more or less frequently based on their individual needs. Moving on to another widely held belief, trimming your hair makes it grow faster. While regular trims are essential for maintaining healthy hair, they don't actually make your hair grow faster. Here's why. Your hair grows from the follicle, not the tip. Each strand has a life cycle that includes a growth phase, a transitional phase, and a resting phase. During the growth phase, the hair follicle is active and produces new hair. This process is influenced by genetics, hormones, and overall health. Trimming your hair, which only removes the dead, visible portion of the hair strand, does not affect this growth cycle. Rather than making your hair grow faster, trimming split ends and damaged hair can prevent further breakage and keep your hair looking healthy and shiny. So while it won't speed up the growth process, it's still a crucial aspect of hair care. Now let's tackle the myth that cold water makes your hair shiny. While there is no denying that cold water can make your hair appear temporarily shinier, it won't provide long-lasting results. In fact, it can actually harm your hair and scalp. Here's what the science says. Hot water opens up your hair cuticle, allowing the hair shaft to absorb moisture and product better. Cold water, on the other hand, closes the cuticle, which can make your hair appear shiny. However, this effect is short-lived and doesn't address the underlying factors contributing to dullness. Furthermore, exposing your hair to very low temperatures can cause the hair strands to contract, leading to frizz and making your hair appear thicker. This can also cause breakage and lead to split ends. So, while a quick rinse with cold water may seem appealing, it's not the key to long-term hair health and shine. So what really works when it comes to hair care? The answer lies in science-backed hair care tips. Start by selecting a shampoo and conditioner that are suitable for your hair type and concerns. Protein treatments and hair masks can help strengthen the hair shaft and add moisture. Proper brushing and detangling techniques can minimize breakage and prevent split ends. And perhaps most importantly, you should consider your hair porosity. This refers to the hair's ability to absorb and retain moisture, which can influence how well your hair responds to certain products and treatments. In conclusion, while folklore and tradition have their place, it's important to separate hair myths from scientific evidence. Frequent washing doesn't damage your hair. Trimming your hair won't make it grow faster, and cold water won't make it shinier. Instead, embrace science-based hair care routine that includes proper cleansing, conditioning, and protective styling to keep your hair healthy and beautiful. Remember, your hair is a reflection of your overall health and well-being, so treat it with the care and attention it deserves. Before you go, share your own hair care myths and ask any questions you might have in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed hair care tips. And that's a wrap, folks. Do you still believe in any of these hair myths? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching!